in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from UNiceHair. Today's unit goes by the name of Fashion Straight Short Bob Wigs TL412 Highlight Lace Part Wig. Online, this is how the unit is being portrayed, and in person, this is how the unit looks. Now, I will say that first picture that shows up, the unit does look a little bit darker on there, but it could also be the editing of that photo, because once you scroll, you do see a unit that looks exactly like this one, so I would say that it's pretty much spot on. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front on each side. It also has adjustable straps. The lace portion on this unit looks like originally it was supposed to be a 4x4, but then they decided to add on tracks, which then created a T-part unit. From the way the cap is feeling, it seems like it is going to be a big head friendly unit, but of course we'll find that out later. When I first pulled the unit out of the box, the hair was soft and it didn't have any odor, but of course, me being me, I did go in and shampoo, condition, and then I let the unit air dry overnight. I also decided to go ahead and go in and style the unit, basically just straighten it off camera and on my mannequin head, just to kind of possibly save us some time with this video. While styling the hair, I did notice that there are a ton of flyaways or possibly longer filler hairs at the top. So if you are planning on getting this unit and if it comes like this, just know you are going to need some type of either serum or either some type of hairspray to kind of just tang those flyaways, filler hairs. So far, when it comes to tangling and shedding of this unit, I'm not getting any tangles and I'm getting very minimum shedding. When it comes to the density of this unit, online it's saying that it's 150% density, and I would agree with that. As for the lengths that are offered for this unit, it comes in 14 inches and 14 inches only. But I think that's enough of me talking about the specs of this unit. Let's go ahead and install her, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. I don't really know how I'm feeling about this unit. Like, the color, to me, I feel like it's kind of like washing me out. Like, I feel like it's almost too close to my skin tone to where I'm like, I don't know. Also, I'm feeling like the length of it could possibly be what it is. I'm definitely about to cut her and see if that will happen. But then also at the same time, if you're not new to this channel, I feel really iffy about middle parts on me. I feel like it could be a hit or miss, and right now it's giving very much so miss. I do kind of wonder though if I possibly tilt the unit and try to make her a side part, if I will feel better about it that way. Let's just try it. I mean, it's not gonna hurt nobody, right? Oop, my bitch is gonna be out. Okay, so definitely feeling a side part more than I am feeling the middle part, because the middle part just, it was a big no for me. So, but I don't know, I feel like I'm still about to cut her. Yeah, I'm about to cut her. So let's go into my bathroom where there's a little bit of terrible lighting, but you know, you should still be able to see what I'm doing, hopefully. Actually, before we head into my bathroom, let's first get like a starting guide, I guess you can say, with where we want to cut it. So let's snip a little bit off right in here. I think I want to go here. Yeah. Actually, no. I'll put it on my mannequin head and then go around from there. So yeah, let's head into the bathroom. talk about my final thoughts regarding this unit from UNice. To me, this is a unit that you need to customize and make work in your favor. Now, if you are someone who loves the unit coming straight out of the box and it works for you instantly, then that's great. But for me personally, I feel like tilting this unit and then cutting this unit elevated it 10 times more. Next, let's talk about the color of this unit. Now, earlier I spoke about how I felt like the unit was like washing me out because I feel like it was a little bit too close to my skin tone. What I'm noticing is when it comes to like these units that are a lighter brown and then they also have blonde highlights in them, I go back and forth on whether I really like them or not. I'm also starting to notice that whenever both the color and a cut of a unit aren't necessarily vibing with me, I have to switch one of the two up. By cutting this unit, in turn, actually made me like the color of it. It seems like at the front of this unit, you pretty much have your blonde streaks, but then on the right side, you have chunks of blonde as well, but then on the left side, it almost seems like everything is just kind of blending in together. I don't really know the name of this color or this color blonde. I know in the title of the unit it's a TL412 if I'm thinking correctly, but as far as the actual names of color, I don't know. I don't want to say that she's a strawberry blonde because I feel like she would be a little bit more pinker and or redder if she was a strawberry blonde. We'll say golden blonde, yeah. Next, let's go ahead and talk about the lace on this unit. Now, up here, she's blending in perfectly fine. I mean, as you guys saw, it's basically a T-part unit, so you're pretty much getting about an inch, if that, maybe a half of an inch width of parting space, and then I want to say maybe like a centimeter of lace to hair ratio right in this little area. So there's not a whole lot to work with, but I will say that it's blending very nicely. T-part units are great for those who are beginners because, like I stated earlier, there's not a whole lot of hair to lace ratio, so therefore there's not a whole lot to worry about when it comes to cutting off the lace. But for someone like me, I would have preferred this unit in either a closure unit or more so a 13x4 or a 13x6, simply because I want to do an ear tuck so bad. Now, don't get me wrong, you can definitely do an ear tuck with this unit, but be mindful that your edges may or may not be out. Speaking of edges though, that is one positive to wearing a T-part unit. Your edges are out and protected, so therefore you don't have to worry about any glue, spray, and all that jazz because again, your edges are free. As for the fit of this unit is concerned, I would say that pretty much anybody can wear this unit. Now, if you do have twists or locks or anything like that, I would stay clear of her just because she's not as stretchy as other UNice units that I have, but I mean, she's fitting me pretty well, and I do have the adjustable straps on, I want to say the second hook in. Really quick, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On UNice.com, this unit retails for $115.87. That's pretty affordable in my opinion for a unit like this. Now, I don't have a coupon code or anything like that to offer you guys, and I don't know if they will be offering any coupon codes, but make sure you check the description box down below because it'll have all of the information needed. But yeah, I really don't have anything else to say about this unit. You guys let me know your thoughts about this unit down in the comment section below. Do you like the adjustments that I made? Did you like her prior to the adjustments I made? I mean, we all know how I feel about her, but you let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @TanDotson. Again, I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.